Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. So today we are going to be looking on how to make a shirt in Roblox, and you will need Builders Club in order to do this, and you will need to download paint.net. It is a free website and it's really awesome. So first, I will leave the link down below to this template, but you can get it on the Roblox website too, or you can look up a shirt template for Roblox. So what we're first going to do is we have to find a shirt. So I already looked up a purple shirt, and now we have to find it. So you don't want anything, if you want to make a shirt with wrinkles, like this would be good if you want to make like a shirt that has waves in it. But if you don't, then you can go to, I think I like this shirt because it's really light, and I'm going to make this actually a crop top or a halter top today. So then what you got to do is you're just going to copy it. And you want to get something with a white background too. So then just go ahead and go into your template or paint.net, and then you want to start a new layer. So you're just going to hit down here, add new layer, and then hit Control V, and then hit keep canvas size. Because if you hit expand canvas size, then it will be larger. Also, I forgot to mention that the template has to be 585 by 559 pixels, because that's the only size Roblox will take. So that's why you don't want to say make canvas size larger, because then it's going to make it bigger, and Roblox can't do that. So now here the shirt is. Oh shoot, I made it bigger, sorry. Okay, so Control V, and then you're going to say keep canvas size, and then you want to go and shrink it to where you feel is best. And then also you have to make a new layer for this. So then you're just going to hit this little magic button here, and you're going to click the outside, like the white part or whatever color it is. So then you have like a clean texture, and you don't have to worry about going in and fixing it. Okay, so then you can move it to wherever you want. I'm just going to move it there. Okay, so then you want to so you're going to make a new layer again, and this layer is going to be the shirt. So you want to hit Control plus, or however you zoom up on your keyboard, and you want to get 64 by 128 pixels of fabric. And that is exactly 1/2 of the front of the shirt. So if I go here and I get 64, you can see it on the bottom left-hand corner. And I go to 128. Oops, it's too small. So 64 by 1. Whoa! Here, let's expand the shirt. So yeah, so you have to expand the shirt if you can't get it. Okay, then go to the blue, and then just expand it. Okay, so then you can go by 164 by 128. Okay, then you can hit either Control C for copy if that's on your keyboard, or you can go right here to the copy button and hit copy. Okay, so once you do that, you can just go ahead and hit the check button on the layer, so it will go away. And now you go back to a blank layer. Okay, then hit Control V or whatever you'd use. And then you want to line it up with this right here. And then you're going to hit copy and paste. Oops. Sorry about that, but you're going to hit copy and paste. And then, so copy and paste. And then you're just going to grab the button. Excuse me. You're going to grab the button right here and just pull it over. So now you have the front of the shirt done. And then you're going to hit copy, paste. And then you're going to do this side, copy, paste. It's really simple once you get the hang of it. It might seem so complicated at first, but it's really not that hard. And also, mind you, we're just doing an easy tutorial. It's not going to be anything like extremely difficult like rips in it or something like that. Okay, so now you have that. You also have to do the top of the shirt. So just go ahead and go like this and get however much fabric you need. I don't really know the dimensions for it, so I just grab a decent size and then just shrink it. Okay, so then you don't have to do the bottom if you don't want to. That's just like, you know, the shirt doesn't cover the bottom unless it's a leotard. So now that's this part. Now you have to do the sleeves if you want sleeves, which we will. And to do the sleeves, you're just going to copy again 64 by 128. So oops, I think that's 100. Okay, so 64 by hold on, technical difficulties. Okay, so finally I got it, and then just hit Control V so you paste it, and then drag it down and line it up here, then Control V, Control C, then Control V, sorry. And then line it up there again. Oops, I forgot to copy it. Again. And so forth. Okay, so once you get the sleeve done, you want to do the shoulders. So you're just going to get a 64 by 64 pixels of the fabric. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then hit OK and copy it. And then drag it up here. Oops. I think it might be a little short. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, and then drag it here. Okay, so once you do this, if you want to, it's pretty much done, except you need to make the neck hole. So to make the neck hole, all you do is you go like this. So you want to get half. So wait. So just go out to 64. You don't really have to make sure it's okay, like that. And then wait, sorry. So 64 like that. And then all you want to do is you're going to get your eraser tool and then make it however big you want. I'm going to do 11. And then I want to make it a V-neck. So I'm going to go back here and go like that. It's almost like a little heart. And then let's make it straighter. Okay, then you're just going to hit Control C, Control V, and then pull it over here. Okay, so now you have a neck. And then if you want to crop it, which I am, but I'm going to leave it a long sleeve, 40 pixels is usually good, but if you want to actually make it like so it's smaller, so shorts don't go up that far, I'm going to move it probably at about, yeah, this is 40 pixels here, and that's a good crop. It's pretty good. It's pretty solid. It's not too short, but I'm going to go right here. So that's 58, and I'm just going to hit cut. Oops, I forgot the bottom. So then you can just go like that, hit cut, and then if you want to paste like an image there, you can. So 1 minute, so I can find mine. Okay, so I found my image, and then you can just hit, so wherever your texture layer is, you can just delete that, so you don't have to have the shirt. And then just hit a new layer, and here it is. So again, keep canvas size, and then you can zoom out to shrink it. And I'm just going to put the Adidas logo, and oh geez, that's big. And, oh, hold on. So then, before you do that, you can delete the background, and then just hit cut. So now it's a clean layer, and then shrink it down to whatever size is going to fit the shirt, and then let's move it up, and that is way too big. So let's zoom in, we can put it to the side. How does that look? Yeah, that looks okay. But then you have like the little white spots in it. So just if you want to select multiple things at a time, hit Control, and then you can go like that, that, and then you can hit Cut. So now it's clean. It's not all over the place. So then I think that looks pretty good because I'm going to keep my long sleeve, but I do want parts of my hand showing. So I'm going to probably do about that much showing. And then I'm just going to hit Cut. And this is, oops, I'm not on the correct layer. So then go back to whatever layer your shirts are on. And then hit Cut. I think that's pretty good. I like that. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to go up here and hit File, and then Save As, and you want to change it to a PNG file. So as you can see, I have everything here. And I'm going to name it YouTube tutorial shirt. Oops. Okay, so once you have that, hit Save, and then it's going to be okay. And we'll ask if you want to flatten it. Just hit Yes. Okay, so now it's flattened. So if you want to go and try it on, you can. And hold on 1 minute. Okay, so I'm at my profile. If I go to Develop, go to Shirts, and then if you want to find the also the other shirt one, just go here to get the template. So then you're going to hit Browse to find your image. And let's see where it is. Okay. Okay, down here. So go like that, and then name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine Adidas crop top. Okay, and then I do the little, actually, I do the little squiggle lines. Okay, so I finished naming mine. I'm gonna hit upload, and again, disclaimer: you do need Builders Club. So now, if we go here, and it will say NA because someone at Roblox has to approve it, but it will only take like 5 minutes. So then you're gonna go here and hit Configure, and then you can type the description of what you want it to be. But then if you want to sell it, hit Sell This Item, and I usually sell mine for $7. I think that's a reasonable price. But then you do get it's a marketplace fee of $2, so that means they take $2 of your Robux, but you take 5. So then you can keep that. And then you can allow commenting, you can put whatever you want, and just hit Save. And then there you go. I'll show you what the crop top looks like once it's approved. Okay, so now I'm in a game, and that's a model of myself. It really looks good. I did pair it up with some Adidas shoes and shorts that are really cute with it. I think it's the perfect length. I'm glad I made it long sleeve. I probably could have made the back go farther down than the front, but other than that, it's really cute, and it's really cute on. Like, that's adorable. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Please subscribe. That would mean a lot to me because this is only my second video, and I really want to get some subscribers. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you all later. Bye.